Dear students, in the present lecture, we are going to discuss what type of entries are to be passed in installment system of issue of shares. Share capital plays dominant role in, in the company because of share capital raised from open public. The company is able to do further its operations effectively and efficiently. So, what are the general entries for issue of shares under installment system? It means that a share price can be collected in number of installment instead of lump sum. Therefore, there are certain stages termed as application, allotment, first call, second call, and final call. Each stage generally carries two entries, and that entries we are going to learn here. So while passing entry, firstly we should consider what are the stages involved for collection of price in installment system. The installment system is one of the methods of collecting share price from the public. Basically, there are two important stages. Firstly, we are looking to what are the two important stages. First stage is application. It means that a company invites application from the open public and company demands certain money with application, that is called as application money. For application money, we are concerned with two important aspects, and that can be converted into journal entries. First aspect is so application. First aspect is application money received. For that purpose, we have prepared here five columns. First column serial number. It may be replaced as date. Second column particulars. Third column ledger folio. Shortly we may call it LF. Then debit rupees and credit rupees. These are the five columns. First, we are going to learn first entry. On receipt of application money. It means that company has received money from the public. So money received, that means bank account debit to share application. Here, company gets money on application. For that purpose, we recorded here entry as bank account debit to share application account. Each entry requires narration. Narration is useful to convey the message about the transaction. So here narration is being application money received on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. This is the first entry. Second entry, conversion of application money into capital account. In other words, transfer of application money to share capital. In first entry, we have given credit to share application account. Now we are giving debit to share application account. Share application account debit to share capital. It means that capital account is credited, whereas share application account debited. Narration, being application money on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each transferred to share capital account. The number of shares and amount of each share collected at the application stage should be recorded here by considering the actual problem. Here we recorded two entries about application. First entry is related with application money received and second entry is related with conversion of application money into share capital. This is the first aspect of installment system. Second aspect, allotment. Also, allotment here we are considering two entries. One entry is allotment money due. It means allotment money is receivable, and another entry is allotment money received. Whereas if the application money is more than the issued shares, that's why sometimes company may reject excess application and that amount of excess application money can be refunded. Therefore, here we are looking entry about the allotment money due. It means that the amount due on account of allotment. So here debit is given to that account on which money is due. So share allotment account debit to share capital. Here we noted that we are waiting for allotment money. We are calling for allotment money. We have not yet received allotment money. We are expecting that may be received. So entry for that is share allotment account debit to share capital account being allotment money due on shares at rupees dot dot each. In some cases, excess application money may be there and company decides to refund that money. For that purpose, we are going to pass entry about refund of excess application money. It is noted that and very important to understand that this entry is passed before taking allotment money. So now we are concerned with refund of application money. For that purpose, we are passing entry as share application account debit to bank account. Narration being excess application money dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each refunded. When we compare this entry with the entry number 1, this is completely opposite of entry number 1. In entry number 1, we given debit to bank account and we given credit to share application account. But here, reverse already is followed. Excess application money refunded for that money has gone from our business, money has gone from the company, and that money is being received to the applicants. So entry for it share application account debit to bank. Now entry number 5, receipt of allotment money. It means that we have received money, the company have received money on allotment. For that purpose, entry is passed as bank account debit to share allotment account, being allotment money received on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. Up to this stage, we learned 5 entries. That entry may be classified as 2 entries are related with application, 2 entries are related with allotment, and 1 entry is related about the refund of excess application menu. In common sense, we should note that every stage carries minimum 2 entries. After allotment, money demanded termed as call. It may be first call, second call, or final call. Now we relate to for making first call. It means that we are demanding amount of first call from the shareholders. For that purpose, entry is to be passed as share first call account debit to share capital account. It means debit that account on which we are going to make call. Here we are making a call on first stage or first call. For that purpose, we are giving debit to share first call account, whereas we are giving credit to share capital account. It is noted that share capital account is always credited up to perpetual of shares. It means that up to calls we are giving credit always to share capital account. Entry number 7, receipt of first call money. Receipt means cash money received to us through bank. For that purpose, the entry is passed as bank account debit to share first call account. There is no specification or specific language for writing narration, but we should note that the narration must give the exact idea about transactions happened. Entry number 8. Suppose a company has decided to make another call named as second call. If there is second call, now a company is going to demand second call money from the shareholders. Here debit is given for the item on which we are going to call money. Here company is going to call money on second call. So second call account is debited. Share second call account debit to share capital account. Being second call money due on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. Here we have written here dot dot that shows number of shares issued or number of shares on which we are going to make call, and rupees dot dot each means that stage. Rupees dot dot each means second call stage, how much we are going to demand money on that stage. The company received money on account of second call. For that purpose, the journal entry is passed as bank account debit to share second call account. In earlier entry, we have given debit to second call account. Now we are giving credit to second call account when amount is received on call. The particular call account is to be credited. Narration: being second call money received on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. This is the one of the method of giving narration, but the student should note that this is not final narration. You may write in your own language that that must give the exact idea about the transaction occurred. Final call. Now we are related to final call. Final call means no more call will be made from company side at this stage. Suppose final call money demanded. For that purpose, entry is passed as share final call account debit to share capital account. Narration for that entry is B. Final call money due on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. Here we are concerned with the last stage of installment system and we are going to close here demand of money from the open public and final entry last entry under the installment system is final call money received. Entry for that bank account debit to share final call account being final call money received on dot dot shares at rupees dot dot each. There are two types of shares, equity shares and preference shares. Suppose company has issued preference shares, we can take the word preference share in every place where share word is given. Before that we may record preference shares. Suppose equity shares issued by the company. So we consider here equity shares in every place where we have recorded call, allotment, etc. These are the common entries. Now we learned 11 entries. Out of 11 entries, one entry is different. That is excess application money. Remaining 10 entries are related with the 5 stages. Stage number 1, application. For this stage, we recorded 2 entries. Stage number 2, allotment. For that purpose, we recorded 2 entries. Stage 3, first call. For that purpose, we recorded 2 entries. Stage 4, second call. For that purpose, we recorded 2 entries. And stage 5, that is final call, we recorded 2 entries. It means that every stage carries minimum 2 entries. So 5 stage into 2 is equal to 10 entries. And one another entry is related with the excess application money refunded. These are the common entries and that are essential for solving the various problems on issue of shares. These are the common entries, but there should be some specific entries that depend upon the circumstances. And now we are concerned with the various circumstances and for that circumstances what entries should be passed. Sometimes the excess application money adjusted towards share allotment or call account by passing the following entry. When excess application money received to the company, there are two alternatives before the company. One alternative is refund the excess application money totally or partially. Another option is to adjust excess application money either to allotment account or call account. So here we consider with the entry excess application money adjusted. Suppose excess application money adjusted towards allotment. For that purpose entry is share application account debit to share allotment account. Suppose instead of excess application money adjustment made against allotment account, it adjusted against call account. For that purpose, the entry is recorded as share application account debit to share call account. That may be first call or second call. B. Excess application money adjusted towards allotment or specific call account. This is the first circumstances. Or another circumstances, various circumstances we are going to learn. Another circumstances, another event. If the shares are issued at premium, there are three methods of issue of shares: issue of shares at a par, issue of shares at a premium, and issue of shares at a discount. Here, suppose shares are issued at premium and the amount of share premium is included in share application account. Journal entry for that purpose is to be passed as under. Now we are concerned with the direct conversion of application money into capital account, and here we are giving credit to share premium account. For that purpose, entry is share application account debit to share capital account to share premium account. If the shares are issued at premium, we are giving here credit to share premium account, and it is very important to give credit to share premium account as per accounting principles. Being amount of share premium credited which is received with the application money. Now another part that is related also with premium. If the shares are issued at premium and suppose the amount of share premium is included in share allotment, journal entry for that purpose is to be passed as under. When allotment money falls due, here share allotment account debit to share capital account credit and to share premium account credit. From these two entries we learn that premium account is always credited. Entry being allotment money due, and that should be narrated as being amount of share premium credited which is included in allotment money. Fourth aspect, for entry which is not common, specific entry. If the shares are issued at a discount and suppose the amount of discount subject to share allotment account, journal entry for that purpose is to be passed as under. It is noted that it is necessary to give debit to discount account, and suppose the discount amount is subject to allotment. So entry for that purpose, share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital account, being share allotment money due subject to discount. Here shares are issued at a discount and the amount of discount is concerned with here allotment account. This is the share certificate. This is the model of share certificate which shows type of shares, share certificate. This is the format of share certificate that may issue by company to shareholders. Means share certificate is a document given by the company to the shareholders, and this document format is provided here. This is to certify that the person or persons named in this certificate is or are the registered holders or holder of within mentioned shares. The distinctive number or numbers herein specified in the above company subject to the memorandum and articles of association of the company, and that amount endorsed herein has been paid on each such shares. Here given each shares equity shares, suppose this is the equity share certificate issued by the company. So this is the format of equity shares. Equity shares each of rupees, suppose the share face value is rupees 10 or 50, whatever may be, that should be recorded here. Amount paid per share, that should be recorded here. Then certificate share certificate number should be provided here. Registered folio number should be provided here. Name or names of shareholders are given here, and the number of shares held, distinctive numbers are provided here and given under the common cell of the company, and this sign of chairman or managing director, that is authority signatory. This is the format of share certificate. So in this part we focused on journal entries. What type of journal entries are required for collection of share money at the various stages, and that entries we are learned in the present discussion, as well as we, we classified these entry into two parts: common entries and uncommon entries, or common entries or specific entries. There are 11 common entries. There are certain specific entries are provided here, and after all a format of share certificate is given here. So from this discussion we learned that the collection of share money, that procedure is carried into installments, and each installment is named, and amount of each installment or stage has been collected from the shareholders. It is the duty of the shareholders to pay amount as and when demanded by the company as per their procedure, and after that the money, one stage is concerned with calling money and another stage is concerned with receiving money. So these are the general related entries called as common entries, and we also noted that minimum each stage carries two entries, and that should be important in order to recording of transactions. There are different types of shareholders, and every shareholder has required to pay money within timeline, and if he fails to pay money within given time or extended time, his shares may be forfeited. So also we noted that there are two important parts or types of shares: equity shares and preference shares. In equity, while passing entry, suppose company issued equity shares, we may record here equity shares. Suppose application money received on issue of equity shares, entry should be recorded as bank account debit to equity share applications account. Here we added one word, that is equity. Another example, suppose company issued preference shares and amount due on allotment. For that purpose, entry should be recorded as preference share allotment account debit to preference share capital account. Here we recorded the word preference. That's recording is depend upon what type of shares issued by the company. Mostly company issues equity shares, and that word should be used while passing journal entries. In this way, I have presented the entries regarding issue of shares, that is termed as common entries, and also I explained the uncommon entries. In this way, I am concluding my speech here. Thank you very much.